after a minute or so, I rinse the piece, and that helps getting the product out. Should you have a removable shower head, you can also use that to gently rinse the piece with warm water, though I found that using just the regular faucet also works. Now we have a fresh, clean piece to deal with. There is little to no product, and we can focus now on the color and how to remove the yellow. Now, I found that when comparing pieces, you can tell when the pieces don't match in shade. Usually one is a bit more yellow than the other, or, you know, a darker gray, just depending on where you get these pieces. The most important thing to remember is that if your pieces match, you're good to go. If they're white and they match, that's even better. I like to pick out my set that I'm going to be wearing, especially when they've been in storage, and I like to blue them all at the same time. If they're all at the same color yellow and you blue them for the same duration,